Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. Just make sure that your content is visible on your screen. From there, hold power key and volume down at the same time. Or maybe just a click. Yep, it's just a click. So we don't hold it, we just press both of them at the same time and release them right away, and this will capture a screenshot. Now as you've seen, we have two options. We have tag or share, I think this is share, and then edit. So once this little pop-up disappears, you can find your screenshot in the gallery application, and from there you should see it either under photos as the newest thing, but later on, once you have, I don't know, more photos, videos and stuff like that appear here, these will obviously be shifted way down somewhere. So to find them quickly, you can navigate into albums and then find screenshot album. And here, obviously, you will find the two screenshots that I have captured. For you, obviously, they will be probably different, but you get the point. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.